Hi, everybody. Happy holidays. This is Joe Mitchell, activateyourgreatness.com, and I am very excited to be here with you today to talk to you about making this Christmas a memorable one. And that's always a great topic because, and I don't mean to limit it to Christmas because, we do know that there's other holidays that are very important to many people, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, and I'm not meaning to say, well, Christmas is the way. Um, personally, I've had many very sort of uh, non-religious Christmases, um, and I know that there's a difference between the non-religious and the religious, and then the different other practices with Hanukkah and Kwanzaa. But I just want to include it all, okay? Because it's really a time for us to open our hearts, to really give of ourselves, and to break away from the mentality that this is a commercial holiday about giving gifts that we bought at Macy's. So that's really what this article. I've written an article about this, and I'd love you to read the article. And this is just a very short and sweet synopsis of the article. And there's really three things that I really want to say is going to make this Christmas memorable. And one of them is give of yourself. Two is give of your creativity. And then three, and the third one, which of course is really cherish the time that we have together, because this is a special time. We don't have this time all the time with our peeps. So cherish the time together. Spend it. Enjoy. Find ways to make it special. Very, very key concept. And then give of yourself. It's not about so much about giving the gifts. It's much more about giving of your heart, giving of yourself, listening, helping, being a part of the family. Like make that the priority. And finally, if you can, give of your creativity as well. I have one of the things that I'm really happy about is I have all of these pictures from way, way long ago. I mean, this is a picture of me and my father back in the 90s. Actually, probably back in the 80s, to tell you the truth. And I'm going to show everyone all of the pictures that I have, and I have maybe about 40 or 50 pictures, and just kind of embellish and have it be a fun and creative time for everyone to remember all of the memories of family. So there we have it, and I'm just going to keep it real simple right now. Okay, give of your heart, give of your heart, give of your creativity, and then cherish your family, cherish the people around you. If you can focus on those things, okay, instead of focusing on, well, did I get a gift? Did I get a good gift? Or did I give a good gift? Or did I get a good gift? Or, do I agree with their political leanings? There's all of that, but ultimately it's about the heart. And I hope that you have a blessed and wonderful holiday season. Whatever your religion, whatever your beliefs, whatever your family, I hope that you are blessed. Thank you so much for listening, and have a wonderful, wonderful holiday. Peace.